Hello, kids! Let's learn vegetables!
This is corn.
Corn is yellow. This is garlic. Garlic keeps us healthy. Garlic is white.
This is cucumber.
Cucumber is green. This is brinjal. Brinjal is purple. Cucumber, corn, garlic, brinjal.
Good job, kids. Repeat again with me. This is corn.
This is garlic.
This is cucumber.
This is brinjal.